So, just got the Lambertville. We got a pretty sky. But we're gonna try to set up. The problem today is it's windy, and it's one of my rules: don't set up when it's windy and cold. But I'm gonna go punish myself. Dan wanted to sell some of his things, so I don't know. It's kind of the same load, but we have some different things, so we'll see how we do. It's for Darwin. All right.
Is there a dinosaur bone?
Nothing fantastic. Bag's okay. Just windy enough where it sucks. But, all right, we got more stuff to pull out. I have some more coming. I have another carpet. Sorry, that was so low. So, I don't have too much amazing stuff today. I did bring some new things, but I like his hinges, or the brackets he bought. I did bring this. So, I don't know how much more I'm going to unpack, just because it's pretty cold. We'll see if we make money. Ben and Sofer here. You guys buy anything today?
Yeah, a bunch of shit. Is this the rest of them records?
Oh, that's pretty cool, Dan. I'd say like $30.
Okay.
Yeah, there wasn't anything. I didn't sell one out of there, so.
Nah, all of them were junk except for that Chinese one.
That's pretty cool.
But the Chinese one was good condition. I got to give it a spin, but that was a good find.
Did you bring the? You said you want to put. You want to take that and put it on the Etsy?
4 or 5 and split it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you'll do better than. You do better than out here.
I'm happy with that. You sure you don't want to try to ship the cart?
You could too. This is cool though. We'll do good on this, Dave.
Gotta keep it somewhere before we ship.
I don't know. We're selling some things. Not the end of all days, but the sun's almost up, so life's doing pretty good. Well, go buy something besides for me. That's good. Made him happy. So we're putting the tiles together.
Yeah, you might as well.
It's like a grown-up puzzle. 15. This one's the bottom. Move this over. I would say that's older. It's a hair clip. 15's fair though. No.
This one? Right here.
Yeah, you got it. right here. He goes here.
Good price.
On the jade and gold, I want I'll do 40 on that piece. So 50 on both.
$4 too much.
Stuff like you?
I told her 50. This is all of Dan's stuff today. He's got all this silver that he got out of a locker months ago. Got some really good stuff though. Look at this nice Victorian pin. Sterling. Some Native American bracelets. So it was complete. It is goes around a fireplace. Definitely pretty neat. There was signature. I think I'll sell it though. What'd you find? Yeah. All right. Thank you. So Dan found this clock in that hoarder room the other day. Hey Dan, how'd that room? Was it a lot of work or?
It was a lot of work. It was a lot of trash.
But I mean, you did find some cool things, right?
Yeah,
But
you gotta put in all the time I've been there. I've been there every single day of the week working.
how many hours do you think you have in there right now?
Over 40.
Over 40? And he's probably got another 20 left. But he did find this awesome shot glass in silver with the case. It's from where was it? 1887. Pretty. $15 today. So I've been selling stuff. Life's going pretty good.
Life's going good.
Especially for how cold it is. If it was...
Me and Dave have killed many people with this axe. I mean, no, we haven't. Just kidding.
I have...
How much?
I was getting $10 a box, 120 for both boxes. I don't know, Chinese guys always laugh. Laugh and laugh.
I would beat my enemies to a jelly with this. Jelly belly.
He must be cold.
Jelly belly.
The cabinet's gone.
I'm thinking about it.
Thank you. Stuff selling in the cold, windy day. You can tell how windy it is.
That's nice.
I wanted to know.
$60, $50.
Alright, so I got it all.
Yeah. Somewhere in there is fair.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
I was
It's
it's
cool.
40 from another dealer, but I wasn't ready to.
Yeah.
I wasn't ready to say goodbye.
Yeah.
Today I say goodbye.
Gold.
You setting up, or what are you doing?
Nah, I'm just cleaning. I'm just organizing my truck before I hit the road. Everything in my load was so fucked up. Getting everything. I got a couple nice trucks.
I always like listening to Ben. It's kind of hard to talk when he's talking.
I was good about one of them.
He's gonna sell the snowshoes. All right, we're gonna do a quick walk.
I'm gonna keep that one.
I like the fire trucks that Ben picked. See if there's anything else around here today.
I thought these were pretty cool.
Some crazy stuff. It is cold out here. I'm surprised we're selling as much as we are. See that wind blow? Just pop the cup over. I'll go grab that for him. You got it? You saved it? Here, I'll bring it over. Oh, that bat's cool as heck. Is it a vampire bat?
Yeah.
How much is it? The bat.
Oh wow.
I knew you would.
even noticed that all day.
Well, it's because
Because he blends in with the table.
He does.
he blends in with the table. It's 120. It's the ladies over here. But it's cool. Rubber little doll.
The bat's awesome.
It really is awesome. You don't see him that big, and you don't see him that just fucking scary.
Yeah, he's definitely scary. No doubt. He did a good job of keeping him scary.
Yeah.
That's a good flyer. Just looking to see what else is out here.
How you doing, okay?
Yeah, pretty good.
Nothing exciting today, I'm sorry.
That's all right. I had a decent morning so
Oh,
far.
did you really?
Yeah, people are buying stuff today.
Cool, nice.
How much is Potter?
What's that kind of car?
We like stuff
Yeah,
too.
I like that tool. So you did end up buying it finally.
I did.
It's cool.
I gave him a book on primitive tools because he's really passionate about tools right now.
He's got a good
Yeah.
collection. He's
What-
bought
what-
some
what is
neat
this?
ones off me.
Oh, that is it's an empty box for the
Files? Or for the chisels?
No, not the chisel, the bits.
Oh, okay.
That's beautiful too.
Yeah, that box is really nice.
Really pretty.
Look, it even has the guy's name in it right there. Return.
That's my grandfather.
I got some Potter for the
A
kids.
little bit of oil on
today.
that one.
That was the first thing I bought. So if you look, when did your shoe break?
You can zoom up right there for everybody at home.
But when did it break?
Another day.
Yeah.
I just slapped some duct tape on there.
Duct tape's good for that.
These have lasted me exactly 1 year though, so it's about time for a new pair of shoes.
My shoes are a year old also.
Oh, yours are looking good though.
Well, you have to oil them.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah, of course. That's $60. Having still having sale action, and Ben's hanging out with us, so see how we do. Ben, thank you for listing that stuff for me on your site.
Oh yeah, dude, definitely, man. Oh yeah, anytime.
It'll be interesting.
I just thought this is cool. I like this kind of stuff. So
I mean,
people that shop with me like this kind of stuff too. So
Well, it's definitely from the, I don't know, 1870s or earlier.
What'd you buy that for?
It came in a lot that I cleaned out a basement.
There's sign guys that need brackets or signs. Lloyd's Treasures,
How
Instagram.
much is one of them worth?
One of what worth? The sprocket?
Yeah.
Like $100
I
normally.
have one at home.
Oh, good.
Exactly the same.
Does it twist it? Iron, nice.
Yeah, yeah. So it's about that.
Okay. And I have old, like the bench metal.
You have to show me. Man, it is gotten cold. Pee-wee. It's a terrible wind today. Had to go for a walk. I started getting too chilled. Man, that's some cool stuff. I'm going over to say hi to Jim. So, Jim, what are you eating? Chocolate cake? Good morning, by the way. Not yet. Oh, this is pretty nice knife.
What? A bullet hole in it from it. Yeah.
So Dan, you sold that to Ben?
Yeah.
Ben, you don't want to know where that's been. Oh, what are you doing that for again? Ben did buy the knife from Jim.
Oh, dude, it's cool.
He got it for 13 bucks. Yeah, Chinese stand. Well, still selling a little bit of stuff, but Dan, it got cold, right? It's freezing, but it was definitely.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Thanks.
It was definitely worth coming, don't you think?
Yeah.
I just got a couple more dollars for some records, but I made my load a lot smaller, and I was happy. Made some money today.
You're not keeping us, are you?
No. Hey Ben, we'll catch you later. All right.
Yo, have a good day, Dave. Later, guys. Peace.
See everybody later. If you guys haven't yet, please subscribe. All right. See everybody later. Peace.